Hey guys, it's Dylan with Dekoni Audio, and I have an interesting one today. Sometimes I get customer questions and emails about pad fits and attachments and why are my ear pads not fitting. This one is awesome because it actually shows you step by step what the problem is. Now, this customer said their ear pads didn't fit. They have an HD660s. So what I see here is an ear pad that's the back of the original earpad. It's all ripped and just foam here. Now the customer goes, I can't get my earpads in. Now, at first I was like, what is this? But I put two and two together. I can't get it in. I put the foam on. It's not clicking in. There's just stuff in the way. Well, it turns out that this customer ripped their old worn earpads off um, and left the mounting system still inside of the earpad. That is the back of the ear pad that ripped off, it delaminated or ripped at the seam, and there's still a plastic ring in there. Hence why the new Dekoni audio ear pads can't fit in and snap in. So, if you ever have issues like this, take a video, send it over to us. Um, our contact form has a way to get in touch with us. But if you want to send a direct attachment, you can use dekonidesk@gmail.com and you could send directly from your email attachments. I will only take video files like MP4s and pictures and sometimes PDFs. But thank you. And if you have any problems, reach out to us and we'll be happy to take a look and help you through it.